Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to be in this sideways structure. It is possible that wave D of our triangle pattern that we discussed in yesterday's video and the videos in the days before, that this D wave is now finished and the price might be coming down in this E wave. Obviously, if you followed the previous videos, there is one expectation I have. As long as the 65 cent support level is holding, and that's one more high in wave 5 to $1.10 plus, possibly even $1.25. Then we will have a complete leading diagonal pattern in a wave 1. So 1, 2, 3, this as a wave 4, however it's gonna develop, and then wave 5. This would be my ideal scenario. How this wave 4 is developing, yeah, it's difficult to say, but we're going to take a look at that in this video. I think we have some nice structures to track, some levels to watch. And then after we've got these 5 waves complete, an overall Elliott wave cycle ideally is complete. We call it a wave 1, and then a wave 2 pullback should follow. And that should create a higher low, and we can look for a support zone then to track and trade the third wave higher, which is normally the most aggressive rally anyway. Looking at the shorter time frame, I won't make it too long in this today, basically, in the interest of time, and I want to cover some other altcoins as well, and also not too much change, but it's still a very interesting chart at the moment because we have now some fairly well-defined waves, even though we don't have nice impulses here, but that's fine. It tells us a lot that the market keeps rallying and dropping in 3 waves, forming higher lows and lower highs. So it really looks like an Elliott wave triangle that could be about to finish its E wave. Triangles are 5 wave structures, A, B, C, D, E. The E wave is the last wave of such a triangle and should normally not go beyond, or it shouldn't go below the C wave in this case. So the C wave low is at around 75 cents, 74.5, right? So don't want to break below that low, because if we do, if the price does it, it would invalidate the triangle. Well, that wouldn't rule out further upside, but it just means that the wave 4 is not unfolding as a triangle. What it means though is that we can be watching if the price comes down a little lower, sort of in this region here. We can specify the targets. I mean, again, I don't even have a confirmed top in place for wave D, but if the E wave is coming down now, I would pay attention here to 80.8 cents and 76.4 cents for possible reactions. And then if we see a bullish reaction there, the 5th wave might be unfolding. It is also possible that the wave 4 just forms a normal WXY structure and the Y wave is an A, B, C. Or, and that's also possible, wave 4 already bottomed. And this here is the A, B, C structure in wave 5 already. In all scenarios, I mean, does it really matter which one is playing out? Not really. I want to make you aware of all the 3 potentials. But really all the 3, I see 3 possible pathways higher, yeah. Which is good because, at least we have, let's say, more defined bullish scenarios, microstructures. But it doesn't really matter which one exactly is unfolding. As long as the 64 cent level is holding, I'm looking for higher prices. And only the market will decide if the triangle is playing out, or the WXY, or maybe the wave 4 is already in. If the wave 4 is already in, it's probably my least preferred scenario, then it's not very obvious at this stage. If the wave 4 is still unfolding, it seems like the triangle to me, but that would be my preferred option at the moment due to the reduction in volatility, higher lows, lower highs. So that's how it looks, but it could turn into a WXY. So it's basically between the 2. And yeah, there's of course a bearish case as well, but that's why we're tracking support, right? So below the support zone, a more bearish scenario has to be considered. But at the moment, our support zone is being respected, and we're not even close to that 64 cent level right now. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.